What's up, everybody? As you probably know, this post-COVID market for real estate is hot, and it is hard to win houses for buyers. Prices are going up, multiple offers. In this video, I'm going to go over the 3 keys to you winning the house you want in this competitive marketplace. Okay, so the 3 keys you need to be worried about are: number 1, be prepared; 2, the terms of your contract; and 3, relationships. So I'm going to break each one of those down in this video. Let's talk about number 1, being prepared, because there's a bunch to this. Your team has to be prepared, and you have to be prepared mentally, and I would say just experientially. Let's talk first about you. You need to have an understanding of your market, what you are looking for. That comes with probably touring a couple houses in the area, looking at a lot of houses online, and understanding what it is you really want, and understanding where the houses are selling for that you like, that you want to buy. You know, what price point are those houses moving at, and being realistic about that. That's getting yourself prepared, and that comes through, I would say, the real estate process and the real estate journey that you're going to be on to get this house of your dreams. Now, the other real important thing when I say be prepared is that you've got your team in place. And your real 2 players on that team are going to be your realtor and your mortgage broker. So when it comes to a realtor, I help people with that. I help find people a winning realtor, and that way you have a high chance of success if you're working with somebody that's very successful. Makes sense, right? That realtor needs to be on top of it. You need to get to the houses quickly. The day they hit the market, the second day they hit the market, have those offers written up and out the door. The mortgage broker is also really important. I recommend going with an individual rather than a large bank, because the individuals are going to be there with the pre-approval letters, being creative with terms, all different stuff like that you need to have. And also it's about inspiring confidence. So having the right team members in place. I'm going to talk about relationships on the third part of this, but that's going to come into play later. So being prepared means that you're prepared and that your team's prepared. All right, number 2. So let's talk about the terms of the contract. You're prepared. You've got that house. You know you want it. Time to go and get it, right? Now, price is just one term of the contract. Because if I told you, hey, I'm going to give you $1 million for your car, I'm going to pay you $1 a day for the next 1,000,000 days, still a bad deal. So looking at the terms is really important overall in terms of payment terms, appraisals, deposits, everything. I'm going to briefly touch on a bunch of things. I'm probably going to expand upon the terms of a contract in a different video, but basically understanding, hey, what price am I at? Am I escalating on price? How big is my deposit? Bigger deposits are good. Am I waiving inspections? A lot of people are waiving inspections right now. Obviously that's a risk, and you have to talk that over with your team, but that helps you win. The other thing is guaranteeing appraisal. When prices rise, there's a lot of people that miss on appraisal. Looking at the closing date. The type of financing is also really important. So FHA is basically the lowest, and then you have a conventional loan, and then you have cash. The more you're putting down, the more confidence you're going to see from the seller. The FHA comes with additional FHA appraisal terms and other sometimes conditions that can make, again, the FHA deal more likely to fall apart. So the seller is going to put the FHA offers lower, the conventional is a bit above that, and then cash, is way up here. But one of the things that's often overlooked is talking to the seller and understanding what terms they want in the contract. What is important to them? That's going to come into play with step 3 in relationships, understanding the other side. Number 3. All right, let's talk about number 3. Relationships. What does that mean? Well, there's a couple relationship dynamics that are going on. One is realtor to realtor, and I would say also one is seller to buyer. Okay. The realtor-realtor relationship's really important because people don't want to do business with people they don't like. They want to do business with people that are going to get to the closing table. So it's important that your realtor is making a personal relationship with the other side's realtor. That means calls, being friendly, being courteous, getting to know that other person a little bit, trying to take that business relationship a little deeper, just so that they know who they're working with. And sometimes they're going to have existing relationships with other realtors that are also submitting offers. So again, it's really critical that your realtor is in contact with the other side and making that relationship. Now, the other thing that you want to do as a buyer is you want to make a relationship with the seller. A big opportunity for you to do that is with a letter. You're going to write a letter explaining who you are, what about your family, what you like about the house. Be positive in this letter. You don't need to tell them what you don't like about the house. Just be positive and include a picture of your family, a nice family picture showing your personality, showing who you are, so they can get to know you just a little bit. People are always making those decisions. So you want to form relationships. Okay, everybody, I hope you found this video helpful to you in helping you win the house of your dreams. Please subscribe and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps me out. If this video is helpful to you, I'd really love for you to help me. All right, also, again, I help people find realtors all over the place. So if you're looking for a realtor in your area that's going to help you win that deal, I will personally vet one for you after getting to know you, understanding your needs, where you're looking to buy, your price point, all that stuff. I'll find the person for you to help you get that done, put a referral in place. And by the way, it's totally free to you. All right, guys, reach out to me. You can see my contact information and the details down below. Love to chat with you. Love to help you achieve your goals.